Chapter 4 Introduction to MS Word 2016. Introduction. MS Word is a word processing program. Word processing software is used to manipulate text and apply a basic design to your pages. It includes a number of tools to format your pages. For example, you can organize your text into columns, add page numbers, insert illustrations, etc. MS Word 2016 is an application software developed by Microsoft. It is a part of Microsoft Office package. It is mainly used for editing, formatting, and printing documents. It provides many features to make the document look good. It includes many powerful tools that can be used to easily create and edit documents and collaborate with others. Word 2016 gives you the ability to do more with your word processing projects. How to open MS Word? To open MS Word 2016, click on Start button. Click on Word. When you open Word 2016 for the first time, the Word Start screen will appear. The Start screen is known as the Backstage view. From here, you will be able to create a new document, choose a template, or access your recently edited documents. MS Word window. Title bar. Title bar is present on the top of the window. It shows the program and document titles. Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar is present on the title bar. It contains commands that you may want to use frequently. By default, Save, Undo, Redo appear on the Quick Access Toolbar. We can add more commands to Quick Access Toolbar as per our needs. File tab. The File tab allows you to create a new document, open an existing document, save or save as, print, etc. Ribbon. The ribbon is located just below the title bar. The ribbon contains all the commands you will need in order to perform common tasks. It has two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab contains related command together arranged in different groups. Document area. Document area represents the location where text will appear when you type. Scroll bar. The vertical and horizontal bar on the right and bottom side of the screen is called the scroll bar. It helps in moving the screen display in all directions. Status bar. Status bar displays the page number, zoom option, number of words, etc. Did you know? To display Backstage view, click on File tab. To exit from the Backstage view, click the Back button in the upper left corner of the Backstage view or press Escape key. Creating a new document. To create a new document, click on the File tab, click on the New, click on the blank document. New document will appear on the screen along with the blinking cursor. Inserting text. Follow the given steps to insert the text in your document. 1. Move your mouse to the location where you want text to appear in the document. 2. Click on the blank document. The cursor appears. 3. Type the desired text. You will find that the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. This feature of Word is called Word Wrap. 4. Press the Enter key only to start a new paragraph. Tech terms. Cursor. A cursor is blinking line that is used to indicate the current position for any input on a computer screen. Selecting text. To select a text or a particular line, put the cursor at the beginning or where you want to select and drag mouse over the text. Shortcut key. You can also use the shortcut keys given below to select the text in Word. Ctrl plus S, repeat, Ctrl plus A selects the entire document. Ctrl plus click selects a text line. Triple click selects a paragraph. Shift plus End selects a line till end. Shift plus Home selects a line from beginning. Shift plus left arrow selects characters to the left. Shift plus right arrow, it selects characters to the right. Shift plus top arrow, it selects upward lines. Shift plus down arrow, repeat, Shift plus up arrow, it selects upward lines. Shift plus down arrow, it selects downward lines. Deleting text. Word offers 3 ways to delete a text. 1. To delete a letter, place the cursor to the left of the letter and press Delete key. 2. To delete a word, first select the word and then press Delete key. 3. To delete a paragraph or a sentence, select the paragraph or sentence and press Delete key. Saving a document. Save command is used to save a document in Word. Follow the given steps to save a document. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on Save. 3. Click on the Browse. 4. Type the name of the file. 5. Click on Save button. Close the document. Follow the given steps to close the document. Click on the File tab. Click on the Close. Opening a file. Open command is used to open the file. Follow the given steps to open an existing file. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on Open. 3. Click on the Browse. 4. Select the file. 5. Click on Open button. Printing a file. Print command is used to print the document. Follow the given steps to print the document. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on Print. 3. Click on Print button. Shortcut key. Ctrl plus O to open a document. Ctrl plus S to save a document. Ctrl plus P to print a document. Ctrl plus N to create a new document. 1. Fill in the blanks.